Hello. One of the common questions or concerns that cyclists have is, how do I get stronger or faster on the bike? And before I answer that, of course, there are many ways for this to happen, but I'm going to tell you a story. I was doing a training camp, and the first 2 days of the camp, I was so focused on, I want to be strong, I want to go hard, but I kept getting dropped. Every time I tried to be strong and tried to go harder, I would just get dropped. So on the third day, I changed my approach. I said, okay, I'm going to focus on recovery. I'm not going to think about going hard. I'm going to think about how easy can I go. So every time there was a moment where the pace slowed down, or I was in the draft, or I was going downhill, I focused on my breathing and calming that. I focused on finding that draft, trying to minimize the effort it took to put into the pedals. And I actually ended up dropping everybody that day. It was the best ride I had ever had up to that point in my life. And I realized that sometimes we focus so much on what we want that you actually have to get beyond that and get what you want. You have to focus on sort of the surrounding, the outside of it, or the antithesis of it. So to go faster, I focused on, how can I rest? Because if I rest, then I'll have more energy to go faster. So the next time you do a group ride or a very challenging hard ride, really focus in on those moments when you're not going hard and try to recover as much as possible.